What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And you guys already know it's me, Jerry, and you're watching Where's Garage. And got a video on how to put the corksport steering wheel on. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that on my Instagram. You guys know. I got a few other parts too, but I will be showing you guys that how to put that on maybe tomorrow. But for right now, steering wheel is easy to put on and it's quick. So I'm gonna show you guys that. And again, and sorry I haven't been uploading videos. I'm just got up with work and I moved, so now I'm in a bigger spot now. So I was doing that and just focus on work right now. We'll focus on work and just real busy, you know. Got my kids to watch and take care of, and so yeah. But let's get into this video. I'll show you guys what I got and we'll get to it. So I already opened the box. I always open them when I get them, make sure if nothing's not broken or something's missing. But this is the steering wheel right here. I got the full leather one. That's the full leather corksport steering wheel. I got this one, the leather one, because so it can match with my car. But yeah, it looks nice. I've been wanting this forever. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna show you guys how to put that on. The first thing you guys want to do, which I already did it, is take off one side of the battery, because you're gonna be mixing with the airbag, and you do not want the airbag exploding in your face. That would not be good. Yeah, this is the engine bay. The car's a little bit dirty. Right now, but I'll clean it and clean the car. But for now, let's get to the video, show you guys what to do next. All right, so we inside the car. This is what you want to do first. And sorry again, look, I haven't had time to clean the car, but it's a little bit dirty. Sorry about that, but it will be clean. Here's all my tools that I got for the other parts that I'm gonna be putting on and showing you guys. But first thing you want to do, there's little grommets right here. Goes right here on the steering wheel, right there. There's two on both sides, one on this side and one on the left side. You want to take your tin and loosening it off your tin. So just got off work. I'll drop the bolt right now. Take that off. So all right, loosen those two bolts on the right and the left side. So now your airbag should come out like this. You just pull back and it comes out. So now you see these yellow and orange tabs. You want to get your tool like this, and you want to pry up right here on these. It will come up, and this will come up, and you take these off. And again, before you do all this wiring stuff like that, you want to unplug your battery, because there's a chance this can go off, and that won't be good going off in your face. So you do not want that. So again, unplug your battery. So I'm gonna pull this up and I'll get back to you guys. So I have it out. See, there you go, and it's yellow and orange, so you can't get mixed it up. And and there's this too, this tab right here. You want to take that off, then unplug it from here. So set your airbag to the side. So next step, and you want to unplug it from right here. Unplug this. So the next step is you want to take off your the bolt right here. This is the 21. My steering is lined, so you want to take this off, and yeah, then once you take this off, your steering wheel should come out. So let's get to that. So I have this is a 21. I have a breaker bar. You don't need this. I just have this because I just have it. Go like this. Hold it and get tight. Oh wait, mine wasn't on that. Mine wasn't on that tight. So yeah, just do that. And it's not. Here's the bolt. Put this right here, and the steering should come out. That easy. And that next step is you see these screws. There's a screw right here, and you're gonna start taking those off, and then some of the back, and this comes out, and there's a clamp. It's right here. Where's it? Right here. That you take that off so this back part can come out. So I'm gonna show you this what to take off, and yeah, then get to it. All right, got the back piece off. This is what it looks like right here. Now see, these are the little clamps I'm talking about. You see these little tabs right here? Let me show you. All right, so when you take it out, this is what yours will look like. Back piece is on, everything's on. Like I said, the little Phillips head screws. There's gonna be one right here. There's gonna be one right here. There's gonna be one right here behind the wires right here. There's one right there. And there's one right there. So these right here goes to the ones at the bottom right here. One right here and right here. The other two, they won't have a washer on top on them either, so you'll know. These goes to the top. So when you take those out, this clamp right here, this right here where I'm pointing at, the phone, the camera focus. I want to focus. There you go. Right here. So you just push back, pull down on this side, push back, pull down, and boom, back piece will come off. That's what it looks like in the back. So the next step is you will be taking out your little controls right here. So I'm gonna do that and get back to you guys. And there you go, a bare naked steering wheel. So you put that to the side, and here's all the electricals right here. There's gonna be a Phillips head screw. You see right here, the take off is gonna be a big one, like this. Take that off. Then this part you can get this off, and it's like two little notches right here. See these? Each side that you just pull up from the steering wheel. And these, what I did, I wrapped around. You can just put it like between in here, wrap it around, take it out. But there's a connector on the right side, right here, and there's this one. This connector was would not come out, and I was about to pull out the wire, so I just, this little small screw at the end, you will see. You just take that out, and then it'll come out. See, it goes like this. It's just like that. Like that, you just unscrew it and it just comes up, and you can take everything out. That's how I did it. You don't have to do it that way, but most of that's how you do it. But this way you don't have to do it. You just unplug the connector and you can pull it out. So now, next step is you put everything you took off from here, you just put on the corksport steering wheel. So I'm gonna put this on this corksport steering wheel, then I'll get back to you guys. And there you go, guys. There you have it. Everything's back on. The bolts, or the little Phillips head screws, there's one right there, right there, right there. The wire's back where they at. So next step, you just plug it in, and get an airbag, put the cords back in the steering wheel, then hook up the airbag, and nice you rope. So I'll do that right now and get back to you guys. have it on, and it looks very, very good. It's dark right now. It's not dark because I took long with putting it on, because it just at around over here in California 5, it gets dark at around 5:20, something like that. But like I said, it doesn't take that long to put the steering wheel on. It's really simple. It's easy. Anybody can do it via the basic tools, knowledge of the tools, what to do. But let me show you the wheel. I'll show you guys right now. And that's the video, guys. There's it on. This is what everything already plugged the battery and stuff back in. This is what it looks like with everything on. It's on. Everything's good. But yeah. And that's how you put the corksport steering wheel on. And yeah, that's it, guys. Like I said, it was putting the steering wheel on is really easy, simple. Anybody can do it. The steering looks nice. It feels nice too. And yeah, like I said, I got the leather one because I wanted to match around in the car. And I probably will paint. I'll probably paint this. I'm thinking about painting this, but I don't know. See what happens. I'm thinking about getting new buttons for Mazda, because you know, some of you know I work for BMW, and since they're partners, so we get discounts with them. So I'm thinking about getting those buttons. And what else? Something else. But I don't know. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, like, comment, let me know what you guys think about the steering wheel, and yeah, and subscribe if you haven't, because like I said, there's more stuff coming. I got, like I said on earlier, my Instagram, I posted up more parts that I got. It was a turbo. I got injectors, the corksport seals, and you know, the big bad turbo, the CST4. So tomorrow probably I'm gonna make a video tomorrow I'll make a video of me putting the coolant reservoir on, and then later on I'll make another video the same day of me getting started doing the injector seals. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do, take off, what to take off, and what to do with the injector seals. But till then, thanks for watching. Again, comment at the bottom, let me know what you guys think. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't. I got some more stuff coming for you guys, so stay tuned. All right.